Are you tired of bulky blenders that tether you to the kitchen counter, leaving you with chunky smoothies and a sink full of dishes? The Ninja Blast Portable Blender is here to revolutionize your blending game. This cordless, 18 ounces personal blender is designed for shakes, smoothies, and frozen drinks, offering unmatched portability and power. Whether you're a gym-goer, a busy professional, or a health enthusiast, this BPA-free USB-C rechargeable blender delivers silky smooth results anywhere life takes you. In this, we'll dive into why the Ninja Blast is a must-have kitchen gadget, exploring its features, benefits, and why it's trending among smoothie lovers. Let's blend in, solving everyday blending challenges. Blending on the go has always been a hassle. Traditional blenders are heavy, require constant plugging in, and often struggle with frozen ingredients, leaving you with gritty textures. Cleaning them is another chore, with hard-to-reach blades and multiple parts. The Ninja Blast Portable Blender solves these problems with its cordless design, powerful blending technology, and easy clean features. No more wrestling with cords or settling for subpar smoothies at the office, gym, or campsite. This blender empowers you to enjoy nutrient-packed shakes and smoothies wherever you are, without the mess or stress. Why the Ninja Blast stands out. The Ninja Blast isn't just another portable blender, it's a game changer. Here's why it's capturing the attention of health-conscious consumers and trending across social platforms. Cordless convenience. Powered by a 7.4V USB-C rechargeable base, the Ninja Blast delivers up to 15 blends on a single charge, taking roughly 2 hours to recharge. No outlets? No problem. Blend at the park, office, or while traveling. 18-ounce large capacity. Perfect for single-serve smoothies, protein shakes, or frozen drinks. The 18-ounce vessel ensures you get a hearty portion every time. It's ideal for meal preppers or those needing a quick, healthy boost. Ninja Blast technology. The ribbed vessel creates a vortex, while the stainless steel blast blade assembly obliterates ice and frozen fruit, delivering velvety smooth results. Say goodbye to chunky smoothies. Leak-proof and portable. The easy open sip lid with a hinged carry handle makes it travel-friendly. Toss it in your bag without worrying about spills. Perfect for gym sessions or road trips. Effortless cleaning. The BPA-free lid and vessel are dishwasher-safe, and the blender self-cleans in just 30 seconds with water and a drop of dish soap. Cleaning has never been this easy. Sleek design with premium colors. Available in vibrant shades like denim blue, forest green, and tinted pink. This blender is as stylish as it is functional. Choose a color that matches your vibe. Safe and user-friendly. Separate power and blend buttons prevent accidental blending, ensuring safety and control. It's intuitive for all users, from beginners to seasoned smoothie makers. Real-world performance. My experience. I've been using the Ninja Blast Portable Blender for weeks, and it's transformed my daily routine. As someone who juggles work, workouts, and a busy family life, I needed a blender that could keep up. My morning smoothie, packed with frozen berries, spinach, and protein powder, used to be a hassle with my old countertop blender. The Ninja Blast changed that. Its blast blade assembly powers through frozen ingredients like a champ, leaving no chunks behind. The 18-ounce vessel is the perfect size for my post-gym shake, and the leak-proof lid means I can toss it in my gym bag without a second thought. One standout moment was during a weekend camping trip. I prepped a mango banana smoothie in my RV, and the cordless design was a lifesaver. No need for a generator or inverter. The battery lasted through 3 blends, and the self-cleaning feature made cleanup a breeze with just a splash of water and soap. The hinged carry handle is surprisingly sturdy, making it easy to carry while hiking. Plus, the sleek black design looks so chic that I got compliments from fellow campers. Who's the Ninja Blast for? This blender is perfect for fitness enthusiasts, gym-goers who need quick, protein-packed shakes post-workout, busy professionals, those who want healthy smoothies at the office without the hassle of a full-size blender, travelers and campers, RV dwellers, campers, or anyone needing a portable, cordless solution for healthy drinks on the road. Health-conscious families, parents who want to whip up nutrient-rich smoothies for kids or themselves in minutes. Style-conscious consumers, Anyone who loves sleek, colorful gadgets that combine form and function. Why you should buy now. The Ninja Blast Portable Blender isn't just a kitchen tool. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Its blend of power, portability, and ease of use makes it a standout in the crowded personal blender market. Whether you're crushing ice for a frozen slushie or blending leafy greens for a superfood smoothie, this blender delivers every time. Its BPA-free construction ensures safety, while the USB-C rechargeable base keeps you untethered from outlets. At an affordable price point, check current pricing for exact details. It's a steal for the quality and versatility you get. Don't settle for clunky blenders or subpar smoothies. The Ninja Blast is trending for a reason. Join the thousands of satisfied users who've made it their go-to for healthy, on-the-go drinks. Ready to elevate your blending game? Check your favorite retailer for availability and full product specifications. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.